From WKYC Studios, this is What's Next with Russ Mitchell and Lena Lai.
Now at 11, not going away without a fight.
You make moves to try to gut this city of one of our key corporate partners and moneymakers. All of us remember.
The fiery reaction tonight from local leaders after the Browns sued the city today.
Nobody needs to fight, but I don't blame the city of Cleveland for pulling everything out to try to save their Browns.
And a legal expert weighs in on the newest hurdle in the Browns' potential move. Hey, good evening. We begin with new developments in the clash over the Browns and the question, do they stay or do they go?
The team filing a federal lawsuit today asking for the Art Modell Law to be declared unconstitutional or not applicable to their plan to build a dome stadium in Brook Park. The potential move would take game days out of downtown Cleveland.
But tonight, city officials are saying, bring it on. Danielle Wiggins joins us now live from Huntington Bank Field with the latest. Danielle?
Russ and Lena, this lawsuit comes as the city announced earlier this week that they would seek legal action to keep the Browns here downtown. And so tonight, the official legal battle begins.
History is watching us right now.
An Ohio law birthed out of Browns history is now the center of a legal fight over the team's future.
It's a situation where we keep saying to Haslam Sports Group, come home, come home. Bring what you want to do to the center city of Cleveland.
Cuyahoga County Executive Chris Ronayne responding to the owners of the Cleveland Browns filing a federal lawsuit asking a judge to declare the Art Modell Law unconstitutional or that it doesn't apply to their plan to build a dome stadium in Brook Park. The law forces any Ohio team playing in a tax-supported facility to give the city or a local group the chance to buy the team before any move out of the city. A statement from the Haslam Sports Group says in part, today's action for declaratory judgment was filed to take this matter out of the political domain and ensure we can move this transformative project forward to make a new domed Huntington Bank Field in Brook Park a reality. We have no interest in any contentious legal battle, but are determined to create a project that will add to Greater Cleveland.
Nobody in this city can expect us to go away without a fight. So I'm glad that it's in the courts, but it's not going to stop us from being able to be advocates for our city.
Cleveland City Council President Blaine Griffin, so passionate about the fight, he turns to our camera to issue this message to state lawmakers and the court system.
You make moves to try to gut this city of one of our key corporate partners and moneymakers. All of us remember, you will be up for re-election. You will have to deal with the city of Cleveland in some way, shape, form, or fashion, and none of us will ever forget it.
And we also reached out to Mayor Justin Bibb's office. A spokesperson got back to us saying that the city's law director is reviewing the lawsuit and is not ready to make a comment just yet. And Russ, we also reached out to Attorney General Dave Yost, who was served the lawsuit today as well. We have not received a response tonight.
All right, Danielle Wiggins, thank you.
Meanwhile, legal experts I spoke with tonight explained that the Browns lawsuit is a preemptive action, basically asking a judge to determine if they're legally allowed to move before they do anything more. As we told you this week, the irony of the lawsuit is that the Haslams benefited from the Modell Law in 2018 when the owners of the Columbus Crew threatened to move the team. The state sued, citing the Modell Law, and allowed the Haslams to buy the Crew and keep the team in Columbus. But the suit was settled and the law has never been tested in court. A Case Western Reserve law professor says one of the biggest challenges of enforcing the Modell Law is that its language is vague.
There is a lot of vagueness to this law. And anytime you have a law that is this vague, it becomes very, very hard to enforce. Ultimately, the opportunity to purchase the team, it's hard to know what that means and how a court would enforce that.
Legal experts add that it is no coincidence that the Haslams filed the lawsuit in federal court instead of Cuyahoga County Court, where elected judges have to answer to voters and Browns fans and may not be as favorable to the team. We have continuing coverage of the potential Browns move, both on air and online, anytime on WKYC.com, as well as the 3 News app.